Hello and welcome friends. I am Harsha Wadhwa. I have been completed my training over here for a period of 15 months under the training of CS Ovesh Sara, and it's been a good period of time over here as I have done through incorporation of companies, trademarks, IPRs, filings, everything, service tax, VAT registrations, income tax filings. As far as legal thing is concerned, I have drafted all the type of agreements over here, and it was a very good period.
So friends, hope that you too take your training at a nice place and you also get a lot of knowledgeable things. So we'll ask few questions with Harsha. So Harsha, basically what tips will you give to the students who want to start training?
Okay. First thing, you need to be calm to all your clients, and just make sure that every work has been done properly and in a systematic way. And
वॉइस है ना, ये
secondly,
वॉइस यहाँ से आता है तो यहाँ पे
you need to have a good contact, good coordination with your colleagues and your trainer too, to have a proper systematic work in the office.
And do you think that doing the training along with means the students who take the training and also do the studies, it is better, और सिर्फ बैठ के पढ़ाई करो और ट्रेनिंग मत करो is better?
It depends on because if you clear in one attempt, then clear once and then complete your training by focusing on a training part only, not to be in a situation like exams hai, then again training, then exams, then again training. So it is better to complete your examinations first and then go for a particular training period.
And as your experience, what you will say, as your personal experience, that training with a company is best or with a practicing is the best?
I would prefer a practicing company secretary because as here I have done in a various field. In a legal corporate field, I would be under only one department or something, one only head. But here I have understood every legal field and every type of work which CS would help him in a near future.
What will be the scope of new arenas which the company secretary students should focus on other than company formation in future?
Annual filings is the best part, and secondly, if you have clients of listed companies, then every type of filing you would like to understand. And secondly, IPRs is the hot area as of now, so every company secretary should go for that.
Since Harsha has already cleared her exams, that is CS finals, so we will ask her, we'll request her to give some quick study tips to the students to pass the exams in an easy manner.
So as far as examinations are concerned, first thing, I have joined here, then in 3 months I cleared my CS exam. So it already states that after joining a firm or a training, you get a practical training experience and then you clear your exams as soon as possible, because you have the practical overview so that you can attempt in that examination. You can just go through your practical training in your exam paper.
As per your training, what do you feel that 15 months time period is nice, or the institute has increased it to 2 years, 3 years? So what do you think that what would be the best, what is the ideal time the student should take articleship?
Because the institute has specified a period at foundation after 3 years, executive after 2 years, and final after 3 years. Because a student get to know that if you clear the finals, you have a particular knowledge. So only 1 year training is enough. But you don't have any knowledge, then you need to take up more period of training to get a particular level of knowledge.
And lot of students do lot of mistakes in terms of their 15 months training. So what tips you will give to the students so that their training time is utilized in a proper manner? Means lot of students, you know, they come and say that okay, they expect that the trainer will give them all the 100% training. So what do you feel, what are the tips like to those students who complain के मुझे मेरा trainer अच्छे से नहीं सिखा रहा? So what do you feel a student should be expected to do?
Firstly, that every man is not a proper. So you need to figure out your things yourself also too. If you have been allotted some work, then just don't go, sir ये नहीं हुआ, ये कैसे करना है ऐसा. Do study on your own properly. That even the Google is the best option today. So after getting the proper training, still you need to understand the recent updations and all. Every trainer does not have full knowledge, or every trainer will not come to you that do this, do this, do that. You should have your capability to enter into a good systematic manner.
I think she has given a lot of valuable advice to the students. In addition to her advice, I would say that the student should really have a mind of research and analysis and try to learn themselves, DIYs, do it yourself, lot of things, because not everything will be taught to you. Second things with the students feel is that के मैं ये फॉर्म ज्वाइन कर लूँ, मुझे वहाँ पे कंपनी लॉ का वर्क मिल जाएगा, NCLT का वर्क मिल जाएगा, लिस्टेड कंपनी का वर्क मिल जाएगा. So my advice to them would be कि since the student joining is a very at an immature stage who doesn't knows basic concepts also, so no firm or company will directly.
They don't even know the MS Office properly, and they want work in listed companies.
So that expectation is really unrealistic, I would feel, and they should not keep such expectations. They should start from basic works, after which they can grow in the organization. Dedication is a very important part, and it's really a very challenging time, because in this training period lot of students need to study also, to work also. So work-life balance, studying on the proper time, utilization of their days which they are getting the leaves, all this is very important. So students should be very careful while selecting the time of the training and the place where they are getting training, because they should totally completely utilize their time. So I would say that in reality Miss Harsha has done a lot of hard work in the organization. She has not even she has not only learned a lot of things, but she has also, you know, taught us few concepts which the firm was unaware of. And we would expect future students to be like that, that you should not only learn the things in the practical manner but also implement it. With this, I will give a vote of thanks to her for her dedication and 15 months training in our organization. So this is from our organization to Miss Harsha. So friends, keep watching. If you are looking for a training, then do give us a call, which is given, the number is given below. And thanks for watching. Do subscribe. Bye bye.